Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today I have a Nokia 7610 that I want to refurbish for a long time, and so I have this one, so it works fine. It's about freaking time I do it. The phone works fine, as you can see, but the body shell, it's as you can see. So let's get to work. Look down. Right, here it is. You can see even better how it is. And the MMC card, 64 megabytes. Actually, I don't want this to get in the way, so I'll just take it out right now. Good. Eek. Well, technically all of this will remain, but I still need to clean it. So out it goes. The antenna. This should be the resonator box for the speaker, right? Yep, this was it. And this is just the bridge between the main board and it. There we go. Ooh. Good thing it's detachable. This is like an isolation. Look at all the dust in it. Oh. Yay! Again, I have a lot to clean. I'm not taking the pins out because there's no need for that. I am taking the vibration motor out. This is the charging port. Good old charging port. And the classic microphone, which I have to disassemble to properly clean it. There we go. Now to the main course. Ooh, how corroded the internal battery is. It's the connector for the display, I would assume. There we go. This is the main board. There we go. That's one. Two. Alright, all that's left is the camera. I'm just using my fingers and pressing it sideways like this. And that was it. Here's the camera module. Now for the screen. Let me try some other ways, like this. It's best this way. There we go. Actually, the display just comes out like this. Ooh, nice reflexive. And this is a fixed screen, like all classic Nokias. Here are the clamps sideways. It's also stick down. I don't know how to say it. It's also slided down, whatever. All that's left here, it's the earpiece. Okay, this is a bit harder than I thought. There we go. Managed to push it out. It's a bit hard and it gets dented, so we have to be careful doing this. Disc. This is empty, by the way. Now straighten it up. Next, be careful not to puncture the membrane. Something like this. Right, time to get to cleaning and I'll be right back. Well, clean that and time to put it back together. Let's see if I can do that under 8 minutes. Well, it's been more than 8 minutes since I started because I had some breaks to take, but Always a nice sound. Right, so it's done. And it's done. The 7610 is finally done, and I can finally put it in the showcase. So, that's it for today's video. What are your thoughts? Did you like this phone? Did you have it? Do you have it in your collection? I'm pretty sure you have it. So, thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please give it a thumbs up. Maybe consider subscribing to my channel, it helps a lot. And I see something floating in the air. Yeah. And see you next time. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself, and all the best. Nice. Alright, bye.